guys, welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning September 12th to the 18th, 2022 in my memory planner using this September 2022, I believe, mystery kit from PinkDiamondPlannerCo. I also paired it with some rose gold foil from Happy Sticker Designs. If you don't already know, I do PR for Happy Sticker Designs. So use my code Adiatu15 to get 15% off of your order. And my freebie, which I happen to use in this spread. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the bass to some music, and I'll be back for the day by day. So starting with the sidebar, I used this Stick with the PlanCo Girl and a binge watch script from Make Plans and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. So I was binge watching Grey's Anatomy all week, and then it being in the 30th week of my maternity leave with a maternity leave girl from Bella Plan Ella and a week 30 script from PMD Stickers. So starting with Monday, I used a pillow icon from the Crafty Planner Co and a Tired as a Mother script from the Honeybee Shop to note being tired. I noted breakfast with a Benevis Creation sticker. I then noted watching Grey's Anatomy with a Disney Plus icon from the doodle sheet and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. I noted getting a ring. What? I got a gift. I think it was my mum ring, or maybe my ring that has my son's name on it. Getting that gift with a present icon from probably not from Carly Plans, probably from Caress Press. I then used a planner icon from the doodle sheet and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans to note a Plan With Me binge. I noted playtime with a teddy bear icon from to Crafty Planner Co and a playtime script from Make Plans. And then noted cuddling my son with another sticker from Make Plans and a script from Tilly Journals. On to Tuesday, I noted being tired again with the same script from the Honeybee Shop and another pajama icon, but it's also from the Crafty Planner Co. I noted breakfast with the same Benevis Creation sticker. I then noted that Malik ate a whole strawberry by himself with a strawberry icon from SBC. Then I noted watching Grey's Anatomy with the Netflix TV sticker from the doodle sheet and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. I noted a Plan With Me binge with the laptop icon from the doodle sheet and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. I noted more playtime the same way that I did on Monday. I think I tried to do that the whole week. I noted cuddles with the same sticker from Make Plans and the script from Tilly Journals, and finally noted my husband gaming with a Make Plans duo of a boy character and the script. On to Wednesday, I noted Malik being super sleepy with the sticker from Papershire. I then noted some breakfast again with the same Benevis Creation sticker. I noted playtime the same way I had the rest of the week, and cuddles also the same way. Then I noted Grey's Anatomy with a popcorn icon from the doodle sheet and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. I noted Plan With Me binge with the YouTube sticker from the doodle sheet and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. Then I noted Malik being super happy and in a good mood with this baby sticker from PMD Stickers. And then finally note that he got a new play mat with this soft play sticker from the PlanWithAds. On to Thursday, I noted it was payday with this Goldman and Coco girl and a payday script. I think it was from, what is that shop called? Murdoch Talks. I then noted doing some budgeting with this money icon from the doodle sheet and a budget script from Make Plans. I then noted being tired with some pillows from the PlanWithAds and a tired as a mother script from the Honeybee shop. I noted ordering some stickers because that's what you do after you get paid, with this sticker sheet sticker from the doodle sheet and an order sticker script from the sugar box stickers, that's what it's called. Then noted that my charger broke with this phone icon from probably from Caress Press. Then noted Malik sleeping on me with this glam planner sticker and a script from Make Plans. I noted watching Grey's Anatomy with a Hulu sticker from the doodle sheet. I was just using all of those because I might as well, and a Grey's Anatomy script from Kylie Plans. And then finally I used this computer or TV icon from the doodle sheet to note another Plan With Me binge. The script is from Make Plans. On to Friday, I noted that Malik was officially in our bed and hugging the bed with this Beneva's Creation sticker. The script is from what is it called? Rounded Up Plans. Then noted waking up early with this alarm clock icon from Paper Candy Art. I noted being moody with this sticker with Panko Girl and a Moody Madden custom script from Kylie Plans. I noted cuddling my son with this sticker from Make Plans and script from Tilly's Journals. I used another Beneva's Creation breakfast sticker to note eating breakfast. Then I marked playtime in the same way. This day has an extender, so I marked a Plan With Me binge with a boat icon from Caress Press and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. And it's having given Malik a bath with a bath sticker from Paper Shy and a bath script from Caress Press. Then next I marked my sister-in-law coming over with this Make Plans pig and baby pig or piglet sticker to know Malik being with his aunt. I used it with my aunt's script from Planner Hannah. Then marked him being fussy with this crying baby sticker from Glam Planner and a Malik fussy custom script from Tilly Journals. And then marked us having a dance party in the living room with these balloon icons from Paper Candy Art. And then we're getting some takeout with this takeout bag from the doodle sheet and an order takeout script from Sugar Box Stickers. Next I marked editing with this movie reel sticker from Caress Press and an edit script from Planner Face. Then I noted memory planner with a planner sticker from Paper Milk and memory plan script from Planner Face. On Saturday, my apologies. At the top of Saturday, I marked being tired AF again with a pillow icon from the doodle sheet and a tired AF script from tired as a mother script from the Honeybee shop. Then marked Malik being with his dad with this Paper Shy sticker and a with Papa script from Tilly Journals. Then marked washing my hair with this sticker from PinkDiamondPlannerCo and a script from Planner Hannah. And marked Plan With Me binge with a YouTube play button from Kylie Plans and a script from Make Plans. Marked more cuddling with the same two stickers I had for the rest of the week. I used a sticker with Planco Girl to mark watching Grey's Anatomy with the script from Kylie Plans. I marked playtime again the same way, and my husband gaming also the same way. And finally I marked doing some pumping with this sticker from What's My Other Love. On to Sunday, I marked being tired again with a PlanWithAds sticker and a script from the Honeybee shop. I marked getting some breakfast with the sticker from Beneva's Creation, and then I marked Malik being with his dad with another Paper Shy sticker and script from TV Journals. Playtime was marked the same way for the whole week as I said before. I used a Make Plans TV and a script from Kylie Plans to note another Grey's Anatomy binge, and then a Plan With Me binge with a Kylie Plans play button and a script from Make Plans. Love that I did a switcheroo on these two stickers. Then I noted playing with some stickers with the sticker sheet sticker from the PlanWithAds and a play with sticker script from Planner Hannah. And then I'm cuddling my son once again, and then finally pumping again with a pump sticker from Once More of Love. I think I was pumping for the next week because I was going out on the Monday, I believe. So yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you... So yeah, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.